Hey, what's going on guys? This is Alex from Land Rover Tech and my channel is all about Land Rover, but also I have 428i convertible with dying battery and today I'll show you how to replace it. It's pretty straightforward procedure. The tools you will need, it's a circuit wrench, plastic clip remover, or you can use a screwdriver or pick tool, couple extensions, 10mm and 13mm sockets. The battery is located in the trunk on the passenger side. The first thing you will need to do is to remove this plastic thing. It's held by 3 clips, one right here, one right here, and one behind. Six clips here. 1, 2, 3, one behind, 4, 5, and 6. And now we're ready to remove the cover. It will be painful, so take your time. The most difficult spot is right here. You can bend it. Here we go. Next step is to remove the bolts. One 10mm right here and 13mm right here. Remove the bracket. Next step is to lose those two 10mm nuts. First of all, remove the ground cable and put it somewhere on the side. And then disconnect positive terminal. Next step is to remove 2 long bolts holding the battery in place. 10mm socket. First one. Okay, and remove the plate. There is a ventilation line, so just unplug it. And now we're ready to remove the battery. It's super heavy, so just be careful. All right. So this one is original BMW battery. Here you can find the date of production. It's month number 6, 2014. They usually last about 6-7 years, so it's time to replace it. I'm using Duralast AGM battery. It's around $200. It's the same capacity, it's the same size as the original one. So let's drop it down. Move the wiring. Almost done. Time to put all back together. First one will go this metal plate. It's a pretty simple job. Yep. Don't forget about ventilation line. Oh, right here. Then positive terminal first. Yep. And next step is put the negative back. And 13mm bolt goes right here. I forgot to mention about fuel tank door cable. So there is a clip that connects to the cable. Let's put all clips back, 6 of them. Perfect. One in the back. Yep. And now it's time to put this plastic cover back. So 3 clips. 1, 2, yep. The last step would be battery registration. I'm using iCarSoft. You can use any device that could do that. Battery programming helps the battery last much longer. If you don't do that, that's okay, but keep in mind you will have to do it later. This is how you replace a battery on BMW 428i, 420i, 430i, 435i, M3, Coupe, Convertible, Sedan. It doesn't matter. It's pretty much the same procedure for all these cars. If this information was helpful, I hope you help me with thumbs up button. Subscribe to learn more about Land Rovers, and thank you. See you next time. Bye.